This is Ford Ecoboost 1 liter engine with 3 cylinder. Customer complained that the car won't start, and I removed the valve cover, and I saw immediately that there is a problem with the belt. I saw that there was like 20 teeth missing. So before I tell the customer that we can fix this, I removed the spark plugs and checked with the endoscope with the camera that the valves and the pistons are okay. There's nothing, no problem, nothing is bended. So when I realized that everything is okay, I told the customer that we can fix the car. But before you start doing this, you must have a special tools for that. There's a different kind, 4 different kind tools, locking tools that you have to lock the flywheel, the camshafts, sprockets, and the crankshaft. For that, uh, I will show you in the video. As you see here, I have locked the flywheel by removing the starter motor. You must remove the starter motor and then lock the flywheel, and you must lock the crankshaft also with this pin. You remove, there is a bolt, 10 mil bolt. You remove it and then you put this pin in so that you make sure that crankshaft isn't spinning. And I will show you also above how to lock the there's two different kinds of lock for the camshafts, how to lock them before you start doing this. I will show you. Here, as you see, I have uh, this kind of locking tool for the camshaft. Camshaft, I have different kind tools also. Mm, I forgot to take a video. As you see, these barcodes on the camshaft, they must be faced up like this, and then you put this locking tools on them and then bolt them down uh, tight so that the camshaft won't spin. And this is exhaust intake, and this exhaust and intake sprocket later when you put the crankshaft pulley back, you must put the lock. There is different kind of lock. Also, I forgot to take a video of it. You lock them, both of the sprockets, and then you must tighten the pulley of the crankshaft.